Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to manage double approval workflow on repair order and set limit on repair order. If repair order's total amount exceeds the defined limit, then automatically move on double approval state. So let's see about that, how to fork it. You can see here our module Dev Repair Approval. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, users, and see here these options. Allow this for move on double approval state. Let's save. Now go to this general settings and see here this amount set here. I set 300. Let's save. Now go to repair app, create new order, add customer like a deco ID, add product like a large cabinet. Here I add large cabinet. And see here this unit price is 320. It means more than stated price. Let's save. Click on this confirm repair. So you can easily see here is move on quotation to double approval and send mail. Thank you.